So what is the story with the binary search? Well, basically it's just super efficient, and in comparison to the linear search, it's a much more efficient and quicker search to find what you're looking for. But a key thing that must be understood is that data must be sorted. So the binary search, where does it get its name from? Well, it's a very efficient search algorithm, but it only works on sorted data. And the binary search works by comparing the middle item in the data set to the target and then cutting off half the data set each time. So where it gets its name from is that you find the middle value, and then you've kind of got, so you split it in half effectively, and binary being kind of two states. You decide then where it lies and what the comparison is in comparison to your target, and then you cut off half the data set each time. And in the old days, we'd use this kind of way of finding something in a telephone book. When you're trying to find someone's telephone number, you would instinctively, if you were looking for someone with the surname P, you'd immediately look for P in the phone book. Once you'd found that, depending on what their second letter in their name was, maybe it was L or something, for, I don't know what their name was, so you might go looking for L through it, but you kept kind of cutting in half the time, or narrowing down your search by finding the middle item each time if you could, and then splitting from that. So, as we said, it's super efficient, but the data must be sorted. That is key, and there is one distinction between it and the linear search.